In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perspective text shadow in Canva. We'll start by opening a Canva template that matches your canvas size, then set a background color with good contrast so your text and shadows are easy to see while you work. Darker or mid-tone backgrounds often make glow and shadow effects pop. Next, head to the Apps section, search for Typecraft, and open it. In the Typecraft text box, type the word or phrase you plan to use. Pick a text color and font that match your style. Bold, clean fonts tend to hold their shape well when warped. To create the perspective, click Custom to open the warp controls, then choose Vertical Distort. You'll see handles around the text. Drag the corner and midpoint dots to sculpt the shape. Widen the top and narrow the bottom so the word appears to recede into space. Take your time here. Small, even adjustments keep the letters readable while delivering that perspective look. When you're happy, click Add to Design to place it on your canvas and resize it to a practical working size. Now, export this warped text as its own asset. Click Share, choose Download, select PNG, and enable transparent background so it layers cleanly over anything later. Note that the transparent background option may require a paid plan. Download the file, then clear the canvas by deleting the previous edits so you can set up the final composition. Create your main headline again directly in Canva. Add a new text box, type the same word, choose your font, resize, and position it where you want the focal point. Open Effects and select Neon, then adjust the intensity until you have a glow that enhances the text without blowing out the edges. Subtle usually looks more professional. Upload the PNG you downloaded earlier, add it to the page, and flip it vertically so it mirrors your headline. Resize it and align it directly beneath the main text. Use Canva's snapping guides to match edges and spacing so the reflection feels connected. Lower the transparency of this flipped text to create a realistic reflected or shadowed look. To deepen the effect, go to Elements and search for a gradient. Add a dark or black gradient graphic and adjust it to follow the same direction as the perspective. Place it under the reflected text, then scale, rotate, and fade it until it looks like a natural fall off of the shadow. Make any final tweaks to alignment and spacing, and that's it. Your perspective text shadow is complete and ready for your design.